Alright, assalamu alaikum everyone. So it could be the time to take off. Bitcoin is trading at $71,000. The market is pretty sweet one more time again, and everything is green. So pretty awesome, okay? The episode continues on with the fact that I'm gonna kill a zero, and I know you love it when I say that. So I'm not just actually telling you to feel good. I'm actually gonna kill a zero, guys. Trust me. I'm about. You see, this channel that you're watching right now. If you're new, do subscribe. We don't actually tell people just to make them feel happy. I'm telling people the truth. I'm actually gonna kill the zero at some point. Thing is that yesterday when we talked about this symmetrical triangle, we saw a move down and up like this. All of a sudden you broke to the downside and then you move sideways. Does that mean that it's actually wrong? Well, there is an exception, and you may wonder, why did this happen? Why did we go down to 3032? Well, there is one answer, and one answer on the daily. So I'm going to remove all this drawing, and I want to show you what the daily was doing here. So if you look at it, SHIB actually came down in such a way that it retested the 10 EMA. So it's actually very normal to do this when you have a bull cross and then you start to move sideways to create a very nice big pennant on the daily. And look how beautiful this is, right? And considering the fact that SHIB always had a flag here that got broken out of, so SHIB is still pretty strong right now. And if you look at it, we have the top to bottom right there, and you still can expect SHIB to literally, if the log scale is actually turned on, it actually shows 13,000. It's a very realistic target, and that's where I finally killed a zero, okay? Or we can actually remove the log scale, and if you actually check from the top here to bottom, then we may see this thing pretty much moving up to 6,400 and something. I do want to see how much SHIB does have volume. So if you do check the volume on SHIB, we can see that on Binance it has 584 million at the moment, which actually halved. It was a billion a while ago, and the technical rating is actually buy, which means it's kind of being bought, and that's actually good to see. So the volume is there. The 10 EMA just got supported, so it's very normal. All you did is moved up, came to the 10, and you probably might be looking to make another push. Now the thing is that if this is an Elliott wave theory about to happen, where we make five move to the upside, this can actually be the first wave with the second wave correction, and the third is going to be the biggest one. You never know if the third is actually going to be at 13,000 probably, or maybe even at 18,000. Come up here, go down again to 8,000 or something. You correct big time. You make one very big correction for the fourth wave, and then you continue for the fifth wave all the way up to maybe even 29, 30,000 in the future. So that's something like that can also happen. You can actually expect to see such things in crypto. So let's hope the next leg to the upside be the biggest one, because if this is going to be a first wave, of course, then the second one, the third wave is going to be the biggest one. That's how the rule goes of Elliott wave theory. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one in the office.